Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna, and I am your friend. This channel is a special place for you. Here, learning English is fun. Here, learning English is easy. We love to talk to you. We love to help you. Today is a very beautiful day. The sun is shining, and I feel very happy. I feel a lot of energy today. How are you today? I hope you are feeling wonderful.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends. I am Tom. I am very happy to be here too. The weather is perfect today. It is not too hot and it is not too cold. It is just right. When the weather is nice, I feel very positive. I am ready to talk and I am ready to learn. Today we have a very special topic. It is a topic that is very close to my heart. We are talking about motivations. We are talking about why we learn English.
That is right, Tom. This is a very important question. Many people ask, why do I learn English? Sometimes learning a language is difficult. Sometimes it is slow. In those moments, you need a reason. You need a big why. Knowing your reason helps you to continue. It helps you to practice every day. Tom, before we start, I want to say something to our listeners.
Yes, Anna, go ahead.
Friends, if you like our channel, please subscribe. It is very important for us. When you subscribe, you join our family. Please give this video a like too. Your likes help other people find us. And please leave a comment. We love to read your comments. Tell us, why do you learn English? We want to know your stories.
Yes, please subscribe and like. We are very grateful for your support. Now let's start. Anna, why do you think English is so popular? Why do so many people want to speak this language?
Well, Tom, English is like a bridge. It connects people. When you speak English, you can talk to people from many different countries. You can talk to people from China, from Brazil, from France, or from Italy. English is a global language. For me, my first reason was connection. I wanted to understand the world. I wanted to feel part of a big community.
I agree. For me, it was similar. I remember my first English class. I was a little nervous. I thought, this is very different from my language, but I also felt excited. I wanted to travel. That was my big motivation. I wanted to go to London. I wanted to see the Big Ben. I wanted to walk in New York City. Traveling is much easier when you speak English.
Oh, travel is a fantastic reason. When you travel, you need to ask for things. You need to ask, where is the hotel? Or how much is this coffee? If you know English, you feel safe. You feel confident. You don't need a translator. You can talk to the waiter. You can talk to the taxi driver. It makes the trip much more fun.
It really does. I remember a trip to Japan. I do not speak Japanese, but many people there speak a little English. So I used my English to find my way. I used my English to buy food. I felt very proud of myself. My English was not perfect, but it worked. And that is the point. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to communicate.
Exactly. Communication, not perfection. That is our motto. But travel is not the only reason. Many of our friends learn English for work. Tom, do you think English is important for a career?
Absolutely, Anna. Today, many companies are international. They have offices in different countries. They use English to send emails. They use English for meetings. If you speak English, you can get a better job. You can get a higher salary. It opens many doors in the professional world.
Yes, it is true. Sometimes a person is very good at their job. They are great engineers or great doctors. But if they don't speak English, they stay in one place. English gives you wings. It lets you fly to other companies. It lets you read new information. Most scientific papers and news are in English.
That is a very good point. If you want to learn something new, you usually find the information in English first. Whether it's technology, medicine, or business, learning English is an investment in yourself. It's like buying a key that opens every door.
I love that image, Tom. A key that opens every door. I feel very happy when I hear our students say, I got a new job because of my English. It makes me feel very proud. I feel very emotional about it. Helping people improve their lives is a beautiful thing.
It is, Anna. I feel the same way. Now let's talk about another reason. What about friends? What about love? Many people learn English because they meet someone special.
Oh, yes, that is a very romantic reason. Many people meet friends online now. They use social media like Instagram or Facebook. They meet people with the same hobbies. Maybe they like video games, maybe they like cooking. To talk to these new friends, they use English.
It's true. I have a friend from Italy. We met on a website about photography. We both love taking pictures. We talk every week in English. My Italian is bad and his Spanish is bad, but our English is okay. So we share our passion using English. It is a wonderful feeling to have a friend in another country.
That is so nice, Tom. Friends make life better, and English helps you make more friends. It makes the world feel smaller and more friendly. When you understand someone, you're not afraid of them. You see that we are all very similar. We all have dreams and we all have families.
Very true. Now I have another reason. This one is very popular with young people: movies and music. Anna, do you like movies?
I love movies. I love Hollywood movies, but I don't like the dubbed versions. I don't like it when another person speaks for the actor. I want to hear the real voice of the actor. I want to hear the real emotions. When I started learning English, my goal was to watch a movie without subtitles.
That is a big goal. Watching a movie without subtitles is difficult, but it is very rewarding. You understand the jokes, you understand the culture. And what about music? Many people love songs in English. They sing the songs, but they don't know the meaning.
Yes, I used to do that. I would sing la 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 because I didn't know the words. But when you learn English, the songs become more beautiful. You understand the lyrics. You understand the story of the song. It's like a new world of art opens for you.
I agree. I love listening to the Beatles or Queen. When I finally understood the lyrics, I cried. The songs are very deep. This is a very fun way to learn. You can listen to music while you clean the house or while you drive your car. It is a small step that helps a lot.
Small steps. I like that, Tom. We always say that here. You don't need to study for 5 hours. Just 10 minutes of music or a short video is enough. The secret is to do it every day. Persistence is the key to success.
You are right, Anna. Persistence. That is a big word. It means you don't stop. Even if you are tired, even if you feel a little bored, you remember your reason. You remember your why. If your why is to travel, you think about the airplane. If your why is a job, you think about your new office.
And we are here to help you. We want to be part of your routine. We want to be your English friends. When you listen to us, you are practicing. You are moving forward. Every word you learn is a victory. Every sentence you understand is a success.
Exactly. You should be proud of yourself. Learning a language is a brave thing to do. It takes courage to try something new. It takes courage to speak and make mistakes. But mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are trying.
I love mistakes. I make mistakes in English too. Sometimes I say the wrong word. Sometimes I forget a verb. But it's okay. We laugh and we continue. Tom, do you have any more reasons why people learn English?
Well, some people learn English just for the challenge. They like to exercise their brain. Learning a language is like going to the gym for your mind. It keeps your memory strong. It makes you smarter. It is a very healthy hobby.
That is true. It is a very good exercise. It helps with focus and concentration. So we have many reasons: travel, work, friends, movies, music, and brain health. There are so many good things. English is really a gift you give to yourself.
It is a gift, and it's a gift that lasts forever. Once you learn it, nobody can take it away from you. It's yours. It's part of who you are. Anna, I feel very inspired now. I want to go and study more English.
Me too, Tom. I feel very motivated. I hope our listeners feel motivated too. Friends, remember, you are doing great. Don't give up. We are very happy to walk this path with you.
Before we go, let's remind our friends about the comments. Please tell us your reason. Why do you learn English? Is it for a job? Is it for travel? Or is it just for fun? We want to read your stories.
Yes, please share your stories. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. Click the red button. It is very easy. And give us a like. It makes us very happy. It tells us that you like our work.
Thank you so much for being here today. We appreciate your time. We know you are busy, so thank you for choosing us. We are very grateful for every listener.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Enjoy the weather, enjoy your family, and enjoy your English practice. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.